Now a small problem in relative velocity. A man standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 30 degrees with vertical to keep the rain away. Suppose a person is standing in rain or walking in rain, he must place the umbrella in a direction opposite to the rain. Suppose rain is falling in this direction, so umbrella is held in a direction opposite to the rain with respect to man. So here a man standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical. Here rain is falling like this, umbrella should placed in such a way in a direction opposite to the velocity of rain. Here there is no velocity of man. At 30 degrees with the vertical, to keep the rain away, he throws umbrella and start running at 10 km per hour. He finds that raindrops are hitting his head vertically. Suppose here man starts running with velocity 10 km per hour. The rain appears to the man appears to falling vertically down, but the actual velocity of the rain does not change, but the velocity of rain with respect to man is vertically downwards. Now to protect himself, he must place the umbrella like this. So here when the man running at 10 km per hour, he finds that raindrops are hitting his head vertically. That means when man is moving with 10 km per hour, rain is falling vertically down with respect to him. So he hold the umbrella in a direction opposite to the rain with respect to him. So here what is the problem? Find the actual velocity of rain. This is the question. Find the velocity of rain. First case, a man standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical to keep the rain away. That means when a person is at rest, rain is falling at 30 degrees with the vertical. When the man moves with velocity 10 km per hour, rain hits him vertically. That means velocity of rain with respect to man. Here what is velocity of rain with respect to man? Velocity of rain with respect to man is equal velocity of rain with respect to ground bar minus velocity of man with respect to ground bar. Here this is the vector diagram. What we want? Velocity of rain with respect to man bar is equal velocity of rain with respect to ground bar minus velocity of man with respect to ground bar. So here this is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. Here velocity of man with respect to ground is in horizontal direction. What is velocity of rain with respect to man? Velocity of rain with respect to man is equal velocity of rain with respect to ground bar minus velocity of man with respect to ground bar. So here we need, this can be written as velocity of rain with respect to ground bar minus velocity of man with respect to ground bar. So this is the velocity of man with respect to ground bar. We can reverse the direction of man with respect to ground like this. Without changing its magnitude, we are reversing the direction. So this can be displaced vertically down and then back. Finally, this is VRG bar, this is minus VMG bar, this is VRM bar. According to vector law of addition, VRG bar is equal VRG bar plus minus VMG bar is equal to VRM bar. This is the VRM bar is equal VRG bar minus VMG bar. This is the vector diagram. How to find the actual velocity of rain? What we need is velocity of rain with respect to ground. So from this diagram, this angle is 30 degrees. These two are perpendicular to each other. Tan 30 is equal to modulus of tan 30 degrees is equal to, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite? Modulus of minus modulus of VMG bar by modulus of VRM bar. So by using tan theta, we can calculate VRM bar. What we asked, the actual velocity of the rain. We want to find VRG bar. So to find VRG bar, sin 30 degrees, sin 30 is equal to modulus of sin 30 degrees is equal to modulus of minus VMG bar by VRG bar. We know the velocity of man. Velocity of man is 10. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by V. So what is the value of VRG? VRG is equal to 20 km per hour. In this problem, we can calculate velocity of rain with respect to man. Here, this problem can be solved in another way also. Here, rain is falling down. Rain is falling down vertically. Man is moving with 10 km per hour. Man is moving with velocity 10 km per hour. So, VRM bar is equal to some VRG bar minus VMG bar. Here, this angle is 30 degrees. VRG bar can be expressed as some AI cap minus BJ cap, because this is the x-axis, this is negative y-axis, minus y. So this component is minus j cap, this is I cap. VRG bar is equal AI cap minus BJ cap. What is VMG bar? VMG bar is equal to 10 I cap. This is the vector form. So here VRM bar is equal to VRG bar minus VMG bar. VRG bar is AI cap minus BJ cap. AI cap minus BJ cap. Here minus VMG is minus 10 I cap. VMG is minus 10 I cap. Here VRM bar is equal to A minus 10 into I cap minus BJ cap. Here rain is falling vertically down. Rain is falling vertically down. So horizontal component should be 0. That is equal to A is equal to 10. How to find B? Here this angle is 30 degrees. That means VRG bar AI cap minus BJ cap. This angle is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to vertical component B by horizontal component B by A. We know the value of A is equal to 10, and tan 30 is equal to B by A. By using this formula, we can calculate A and B. Finally, VRG bar. Okay, thank you.